Hi everyone, it is weekend time, which means it's also cocktail time. Today I am making an Amaretto sour. Now, I don't like Amaretto on its own very much because I find it very sweet. However, sour has lemon in it, and I feel like it's going to cut through the sweetness a bit. And we'll find out. Never had one before, so let's see how we go. Here is what you need. Your Amaretto, you need either some sugar syrup, or what I'm using is agave syrup just because I prefer it, some Angostura bitters, an egg, you only need the white though, and a lemon. I also have some ice on standby in my freezer, and my rocks glass that I'm going to be drinking it from. Let's do it. So first thing you're going to do is get your shaker, or the small halfy shaker anyway, and you're going to put 50 ml of your Amaretto into it. Now I've got a special Amaretto here, it's Disaronno, but it's got like a special Mazzoni pattern on it, just because I went to an event and it was like in the goodie bag, and I thought, great. So 50 ml going in. Next you need 25 ml of your lemon juice. With that straight into my measurer here. Now, it says in the instructions that I was following to make this drink that you need a dash of egg white. You try telling me what a dash of egg white is. What I've discovered in the past when making other sours, for example a whiskey sour, which is one of my favourite drinks, what I do is I crack the egg over the shaker and hold it up, but when the egg white that dribbles out, that's the amount you need, and all the rest you can get rid of. So, open my egg here, and that bit, basically, that's what you need. This, don't need it anymore. Next up comes your sugary syrup. Now, again, it calls for a bit more in the method of this, but I know that I find Amaretto quite sweet already, so I'm going to just do 2 teaspoons of this. It actually asked for like 12.5 ml, it's a very random amount in the first place. So 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. And finally, 2 dashes of your Angostura bitters. Put some ice into your shaker. And shake. Now you want to shake quite a lot and quite vigorously, because basically you need that egg white to turn velvety and smooth. Otherwise you just have weird kind of consistency and it's not going to be a good drink. So shake a lot. Nearly there. Get your rocks glass out of the fridge. And again, fill her up with ice. Get your strainer and pour in what is hopefully a velvety smooth sour mixture. That looks pretty good to me. And then finally, to garnish, lemon. Did you notice that I nearly threw it over there then? I nearly dropped it. And I caught it. It's like, that was really smooth, but I know it's not going to be really smooth, so I thought I'd keep it in. There we go. Give her a little twist, nice and gently, just to release some of the oils, and then place her in there. And there we go. 1 Amaretto sour. Cheers. This is my first time ever, so I hope I like it. Oh wow, that's good. Wow. It's still got a lot of sweetness from the Amaretto, but the lemon cuts right through. Wow, that's really good. Happy Friday, everyone.